Hello guys, welcome to Spot Array channel. Many people are confused with the language in the Gmail, especially the default application or mobile phone from the outside. One way to set the language on Google is a solution to fix it, so that I can be easily understood. Okay, I'll just give a tutorial on how to change the language. First, we click the Gmail. Click the symbol or photo in the upper right corner. After that, click Manage your Google account. Scroll sideways to Personal Info and scroll down until you meet the language and click. Click the pen symbol here and select the language you want. I choose Australian maybe, and select. Okay, and Gmail will change the language. So many tutorial, and I hope this helpful. And thank you.